Hi everybody, I'm Melissa with Pixie Dust Adventures Travel Planners, and today I am going to show you how to make a dining reservation in the Universal Orlando Parks app, and I'll give you a quick little rundown on mobile food ordering as well. Right now we are looking at the Universal Orlando Park app. I have it open right here on my phone. And you can see on the homepage it has all kinds of things, buy tickets, hopefully you already have those in your package, park hours, map, dining, shows, rides. You go all the way to the bottom of the screen and on the bottom you see a little icon that says map. You want to tap on where it says map. Once you've tapped a map, on the top left-hand corner, tap View Park Maps. Then you're going to select where you want your dining reservation, what map you want to view, whether it's Universal Studios Park, Islands of Adventure, Volcano Bay, City Walk, or Universal Orlando Resort will show everything. But that's kind of a lot to look at once, so for the sake of doing this, we are going to select Universal City Walk. Once we've selected the Universal City Walk map, we want on the top of the page to select Dine and turn off Shows and Entertainment. So we have only the dining locations selected. You can see them there in a map, but we want to see a list so we can make a reservation. On the top right hand side, you see three little bars. We're going to tap on those three little bars up on the blue bar where it says Universal City Walk. This gives us a list of the restaurants. So let's say we want to make a dining reservation at Big Fire. We are going to tap on Big Fire. It tells us the hours, the dining details, and right there in the middle of the dining details, it says dining reservation. Tap on dining reservation. Next, we choose our party size and click continue, and then we want to select a date. Once we've selected the date, we tap continue, and then we want to select a time. You can select from one of the times that's already on the screen, or if you don't see a time you want, if you want a later time, just tap on load more, and keep tapping load more until you find the time that you want. Once you find the time you want, you select that time, scroll down and tap continue. On this next screen here, we're going to confirm all of our details, the number of guests, the date, and the time. As you continue to scroll down, you are going to be required to enter a phone number in the phone number field. Once you've entered your phone number, you can tell them if you're celebrating a special occasion such as a birthday or anniversary, and also if you have a special request like a dietary need, some kind of allergy, anything along those lines. Keep scrolling all the way to the bottom of the screen, check the box that you agree to the terms and conditions, and tap confirm your reservation when you're done. It gives you a dining confirmation. Your epic dining experience is confirmed. If you change your mind and you really don't want that dining experience, when you scroll down on that confirmation page, right here in the middle, you can see it says cancel reservation. Tap cancel reservation. It asks you if you're sure you want to cancel the reservation. Tap cancel. And it tells you your reservation was canceled. Back here now showing the restaurants at Universal City Walk, I'm going to show you about mobile ordering. If you were to select one of these restaurants that doesn't take reservations, a counter service restaurant, for example, like this Bread Box, handcrafted sandwiches, you would tap that. And when you scroll down, you're going to see under the dining details, there is nowhere to make a reservation. It has the menu, tells you it's quick service dining. You can tap mobile food and drink ordering. When you get to the mobile food and drink ordering, you select the things that you want one at a time. You add them to your order. And once you've added everything to your order, you tap that cart in the top right-hand corner to check out. You have to be on location in the park in order to complete this step. This mobile food ordering can save you wait time in lines because they have a specific pickup window for mobile orders where they prepare them in advance. I hope you found the information in this video useful and helpful, and hopefully you're planning your Universal vacation with me. My name is Melissa. I am with Pixie Dust Adventures, and I am here to help you plan your next adventure. Thanks for watching. Bye.